Excuse me.
Oh.
We got Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Of course.
I can actually say that I've always wanted to play with something similar to this. I never really got the chance because whenever I was in kindergarten, the little kids always stole that first. And I never got the chance. Maybe like once or twice.
Yeah.
I never actually owned one.
I never had one of these, but I had the Pizza Hut one. To make like little mushrooms, little pepper. I love that thing.
But no.
Never had a fun factory.
No fun factory.
Never had a fun factory. Oh my god.
Weird. Okay. Green.
Teal. It's a greeny blue.
So what's the more dominant color?
It's a mixture. Greeny
Can't
blue.
wait. Is that rainbowy-ish?
Except before he died, was to clean up post
You're gonna garbage in on that. Instead of on the floor.
I've just been throwing it on the floor.
It's garbage bags.
19.
I'm just gonna stop my mother from laughing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's a lot of wrapping.
There was. Yeah, I guess I didn't open that
It's
one.
not showing yet.
That Play-Doh smell.
It's an ox cup.
Go have a drink. Have a pizza or something. Just you and me.
That'd be nice.
And I mean, if the TARDIS can't leave until morning.
This is a Smurf.
Oh my god, it's Big Brother.
It really is.
That is awesome. The arm should be lower, but that's okay. There you go.
I'm not asking you to leave because I know it's not fair.
I don't know. I think we're the first ever contestants to get outside.
Like the two friends trapped the women who also got caught in the same time.
I know this looks gross right now, but will be cool.
Melted ice cream? Is it melted ice cream?
Not quite.
Ice cream!
Peanut butter, bubble gum. It's bubble gum. Or cotton candy. It's bubble gum or cotton candy ice cream cone. And you're making green spaghetti.
Here. Exterminate! No!
Since when did the Daleks have a concept of blasphemy? I reached into the dirt and made life.
Garlic bread. I made a plate of spaghetti and meatballs with garlic bread. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll move it closer. There we go. A garlic bread on the side there. That's fun. I just got really distracted by Doctor
Is
Who.
he alright?
Anyway, okay, so that's it for tonight, guys. Thank you for playing Play-Doh with us.
That's the doctor.
Yeah.
What do you mean that's the doctor? Doctor Who?
Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Alright. Good night, guys.
Bye.